was sy gisteraand het ek lekker by Michael hulle geslaap in 'n warm bed in die Karoo. My tentjie het weer so gefries nie en my maagie is vol oud, so ek kan lekker op die pad klim. Daar is hy. Dubai Gradok, maak ons pad na Hofmeyer. Hierdie pad vat my stryd na Hofmeyer. Te veel druk op hierdie pad. Hopeloos te veel. 60 kilos. Die ketting kraak, so ek maak haar maar skoon met 'n Powerade. Ek maak nie skoon met 'n Powerade nie, ek drink net Powerade terwyl ek dit skoon maak. Ja. Yeah, this road works has me traversing through this little pathway. I have to move all the rocks and the doringbome just for a little space to get through. Maar het bly lekker. Ek was te veel bederf in Kraddock, sommer 'n hele slab. 'n hele slab sommer. A few steep climbs today. Hey, lekker stukkie Karoo. Kan Karoo so 'n proe, jong. So I did have a what's it called? A tubeless conversion, but my slime ran out, so now I'm rocking binnenbande, and I've already gotten like 3 punctures now, so yeah, I'm missing my tubeless. Can't wait to get to the next bike shop. Dis hierdie bliksems wat vir my pa bande gee, hierdie dubbeltjies. Kon vir dit dood nie die punctures vind nie. Glad nie, so ek gaan nou maar try om 'n lift te vang na die volgende dorp, sodat ek my bande in water kan sit om so die punctures te vind, want ek kan niks hoor nie. So yeah, I doubt that I'll get a lift because there's so many roadworks, and you know what roadworks means. Everybody's in a bad mood, so let's see, maybe there's a good boot on the road today. Let's see. Just as I stopped recording that video, Venter cycled past, also a cyclist from Kraddock, and he said, "Come on, let me help you. I'll be back in 40 minutes with a bakkie and I'll take you to Hofmeyer, and then you can sort your tire out there." So yeah, like I said, good boere! Venter, dis 'n lewensredder. Baie dankie. Dankie. The following morning, I woke up in Tertius's home, a local game ranger from Hofmeyer. Tertius invited me to a game drive, an opportunity I could not refuse. Dit is so lekker, ek en Tertius op Hofmeyer gaan nou lekker gaan wild kyk. And we finally got to the pinnacle of the game drive, feeding the buffaloes. As dit daar is, wat maak ons nou? Eens kyk hier, ons loer die buffels.
Dit is dan 70 km/h hardloop, hè.
My last few nights in Hofmeyer, I found myself spending time with the crazy fudge-obsessed egg farmers from Hofmeyer.